Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to stop or prevent the game bar from running in the background on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the system tile and then select System Components on the left panel here. And then on the right side, you want to go and select the game bar and select Advanced Options. Versus background apps, toggle this to the off position, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.